Members of the RCMP won a long-standing fight today. The Supreme Court has ruled they have the right to collective bargaining with the government. The court struck down a law that had prevented Mounties from forming a union. They are the only police force in the country which cannot. And as Mike LeCouture reports, this ruling is seen by many as the start of a new, better future for RCMP officers.
Normally stoic Mounties were all smiles, hugging each other following the decision.
Today is an awesome day for all members in the RCMP. It is also a great day for Canada. It's a great day for democracy in this country.
Until today, the law prevented Mounties from forming a union. Any concerns or issues were handled by a staff relations board appointed by RCMP management. The government argued that model prevented job action or illegal walkouts. But in a 6-1 decision, the top court, led by the Chief Justice, strongly disagreed. The process fails to achieve the balance between employee and employer that is essential to meaningful collective bargaining and leaves members in a disadvantaged and vulnerable position. Now, no one is saying a union would have prevented the tragedy in Moncton, but those leading the push for a police association say it can help address issues on the front lines. They also think the sexual assault cases out west could have been dealt with sooner if an official association had been in place. Now, the government has a year to come up with a blueprint for Mounties to engage in collective bargaining. In a statement today, a spokesperson for the Public Safety Minister would only say they acknowledge the court's decision and are reviewing it.
It's an antiquated model.
Criminologist Michael Kempa says the RCMP needs this change, and he points out a union will help weed out those bad apples Commissioner Bob Paulson is trying to target.
It tends to promote buy-in. People participate in making the rules and they understand and buy into those rules that much more.
And the Mounties say they want to fix the organization from the front lines, but ultimately the structure of the new association remains in the hands of the government. Mike LeCouture, Global News, Ottawa.